Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Facebook Messenger message unavailable. This message is not available on this app's problem in Messenger application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Messenger application. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to search. Search Messenger app. Update your Messenger application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. You can follow all of the steps to fix Facebook Messenger message unavailable on Messenger problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.